Hey guys, Sports Shot here, and I'm going to show you how you can get hacks for Krunker. So I uploaded a video on this maybe like 4 or 5 days ago, but they just patched it, and I did just find a new way to get this. All links will be in the description, so let's get into the video. Okay, so what you're going to want to do to get the hacks is you can use the links that I've put in the description for you, or you can go to the Chrome web store. That's in caps, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, just go to the Chrome web store here, search up tamper monkey, and then click on that, and then add to Chrome. Now this is not a download, so you cannot get a virus from these, especially if it's on the Chrome web store, because they check it to make sure it's not a virus. So it'll bring you to this web page, and what you have to do next is find a script. Okay, so I have a link in the description which will bring you to this page here, which is the new working script. So all you have to do is click install, and then it will send the script over to your tamper monkey. So then you can click here and then go to dashboard, and then all you have to do is click the check mark and then click enable and then start, and it'll say operation completed successfully. Now what you want to do is close out your old Krunker tab and then go into a new fresh Krunker game, and then it'll forward you to this page, and what you want to click is always allow. So it'll always allow Krunker games. Now you have to find a server. Okay, so here it is with the sniper rifle, which, as you can probably imagine, would be one of, if not the best things to do. You can also use the revolver for this. Let's actually do that right now, which is the detective class. Okay, the game ended. Okay, we're in a new game here, and we have the revolver, which kills your ears less, as you can probably see or hear. And that's guy probably also using the same aimbot, but yeah, you can see that this will also be very effective for hide and seek servers, because you can see people's tags through a wall. That was a huge lag spike. But I'm gonna go back to the sniper rifle here, and let's kill. See, it can't lead or calculate travel time, so you'll have an accuracy of about 50% from any range of any movement. That's still really good. So yeah, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to get the hack out into the community. That's about it.